I didn't see you there. Welcome to my channel. I'm Amaya, and this video is about life skills.
Wait. What are life skills?
You don't know what that means? I'm going to teach you that word right away. Life skills means that you need to be responsible with no mom and no dad. But before you watch this video, you really need to subscribe and like this video. So today's episode is about doing laundry. Do you know how to do laundry? You don't? Well, it's good because we're going to teach you how to do laundry. Okay, now we get started. First, you need to separate your colors.
All right, here we go.
What was that? Oh, right here? Okay. This goes with colors. This goes with black. Black. Colors. Oh, white. White goes right there. But sometimes you got special laundry. Like this. All my dark clothes are in the machine. You need to be careful because you might drop. Close it up. And voila! I hope you like this video. Subscribe and like this video. Tune up, life is good. Hi, welcome to my channel. And my name is Amaya. And this video is about washing laundry. And my name is Amaya.